Imagine waking up one day and realizing that your Indian rupees 10,000 investment has grown into 1 crore. Sounds impossible. What if I told you that with the right investing strategy, patience, and consistency, this dream can become a reality? Stay till the end, and I'll show you exactly how you can do it. Understanding the power of compounding. Before we dive into investment strategies, let's understand the secret weapon of wealth creation: compounding. Compounding is when your earnings start earning more earnings over time. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. Here's a simple example. If you invest Indian rupees 10,000 at a 20% annual return in 20 years, it won't just double or triple. It can cross 1 crore. The trick is starting early and being consistent. Choosing the right investment vehicle. Now let's talk about where to invest. You don't need to gamble or take high risks. You just need to choose wisely. Here are the best options to turn Indian rupees 10,000 into 1 crore. 1. Stock market. Investing in fundamentally strong stocks like HDFC Bank, TCS, or Infosys and holding them long-term can generate multi-fold returns. Example, an Indian rupees 10,000 investment in Infosys in 1993 is worth more than India rupees 1 crore today. 2. Mutual funds and SIPPs. If you don't want to pick stocks yourself, mutual funds can do it for you. Investing Indian rupees 10,000 in a high-performing equity mutual fund with a 15 to 20% CAGR can multiply over time. 3. Real estate and REIT. Small investments in real estate, investment trusts, REITs can generate passive income and long-term wealth. 4. Crypto and alternative assets. While risky, well-researched investments in Bitcoin or Ethereum have turned small investors into millionaires. The secret formula to Indian rupees 1 crore. Here's a simple formula. The rule of 72. This rule helps you estimate how fast your money will double. Just divide 72 by your expected return rate. For example, if your investments grow at 24% annually, your money doubles every 3 years. Let's break it down. Invest rupees 10,000 in a high-growth asset. Target a return of 24% annually. Reinvest profits and stay patient for 20 years. Boom! Your Indian rupees 10,000 grows to 1 crore. Avoid these common mistakes. Most investors fail because they make these mistakes. Don't be one of them. Here's what not to do. Panic selling. Market crashes happen, but patience pays off. Chasing hype. Avoid blindly investing in trending stocks or cryptos. Ignoring research. Always study before you invest. The mindset of a wealth creator. Beyond strategies, your mindset plays a crucial role. The wealthiest investors have 3 qualities. 1. Discipline. Stick to your plan. 2. Continuous learning. Keep updating your knowledge. 3. Patience. Give time for compounding to work. Now that you know how to turn Indian rupees 10,000 into 1 crore, the real question is, will you take action? Start today Stay consistent, and one day you'll thank yourself. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others on the path to financial freedom. See you in the next one.